Today we're going to make a chicken and sauce. Make sure you subscribe, please. Thank you very much. That's the chicken. Don't forget to subscribe. Thanks. Love you guys. Hey, c'est Soso Kitchen. Je suis content un peu parce que moi je n'ai plus le comment. So aujourd'hui nous allons faire chicken en sauce. Moi je n'ai plus de demande de chicken en sauce. Premièrement, j'ai chicken là, on trempe chicken là. Et nous avons besoin de thym, nous avons besoin de Maggi, nous avons piment rouge, nous avons piment vert, et nous avons piment piqué. Là, moi j'ai thym, moi je fais le dry. Et je fais le dry avec girofle. Et les oignons, ça me donne gros oignons. Si je n'ai besoin de tout les oignons, je prends moitié des oignons pour la sauce. Ok, premièrement, ça c'est chaudière. Je vais mettre une cuillère d'huile ou bien 2 cuillères d'huile.
So today we are making chicken and sauce. We received a request for this, so if you guys have any requests, feel free to comment below and we will try to fulfill requests that we receive in our comments.
Je vais mettre une cuillère de sauce tomate. Comme moi je dis déjà, si je n'ai pas de tomate, je vais avec pas de tomate. Si je n'ai pas de tomate, je vais avec sauce tomate. Okay?
So to get started, we have our pot and we took 2 big spoons of oil and then we did a big spoon of tomato sauce. You can also use tomato paste. We use either or, whichever one we have.
Ça c'est chicken nan moi trempé. Je vais mettre chicken nan là-dedans. Mais je vais mettre chicken nan, je vais mettre sauce chicken nan, je vais juste mettre chicken nan seulement. Je vais mettre chicken nan, je vais descendre du feu sous l'eau, à mon température, je vais mettre le sous poids. Et je vais couler là, je vais bouillir, je vais mettre mon pile de l'eau et puis la cuite comme ça.
So we already cleaned and marinated our chicken. So now we are taking the chicken. We're not taking the sauce with the chicken, just the chicken itself, and we're putting it into the big pot. And the type of chicken we used was like a whole chicken, and we cut it up. You can use different types of chickens for this. Whatever chicken you prefer, you can use. So the reason we're not using the sauce that we marinated the chicken with right now is because when the chicken cooks, it's going to create its own juices. And we're also going to save the sauce so we can coat the chicken with when it's done cooking.
Ça c'est thym avec girofle là. Je vais tout mettre le coulier là, le bouillage. That's it. So le coulier là, je descends du feu et puis je couvre et until il va avoir plus d'eau. Et sauce ça, je serrer pour arroser chicken. Ok? Thank you. Descends du feu sur toi. Quittez le cuit. Coulier là. Je vais retourner, bien avoir le fruit. Ça fait 1 heure, 1 heure de temps. Ce coulier là, je vais monter du feu à plus pour me capable de faire le fruit. Ok? Je vais le fruit coulier là.
So the chicken is done cooking. It's 1 hour later and you can see all the sauce now that the chicken has created on its own. So now what we're going to do is we're going to turn the stove all the way up to the highest level and we're going to start to fry the chicken. This part is pretty quick.
Yeah, no more water, so pas mettre de l'eau là-dedans, même de l'eau, chicken là, c'est liquide. Chicken. So sauce là, on va l'arroser. Ok? Chicken n'a pas le fou. Couvrir le bac. Ok? Tout autant nous tendez la fruit. So pour ne pas brûler. Sauce là, nous te quitter, n'a pas arrosé. Lo fin arrosé li, and then n'a grillé. Et puis, on couvre le bac encore pour... On couvre le bac encore. Okay. Constamment.
So as you can see, the stove is all the way up. You might think there's a fire in the kitchen, but there's not. So basically, we're taking the sauce that we marinated the chicken with, and we're putting it on top of the chicken, and then we're turning it, and then we'll cover it, and then we'll repeat. And when we cover it, we cover it for like a minute, 2 minutes max. And then we open it back up and put some more sauce and then turn the chicken. And you want to make sure you keep turning the chicken so it doesn't burn.
Quittez-le encore pour retourner encore pour arroser encore. Yeah. Sweetheart, the chicken and sauce, that's for you. Put more water. Return it. I think the chicken one more time is done. Okay. One more. Okay. One more. Okay. I think the chicken is ready. That's the color. That's the color for the chicken. You put your stove down on 5, and then you put some water. Okay. Persil. Wait for 5 more minutes, and then you can put onion, green pepper, red pepper. I'm going to taste it too. I'm going to wait for 5-10 more minutes. Ok, mais pour la sauce là, bon tester pour moi, ça a besoin, il va besoin d'huile, il a enough. Very good. Tastes very, very good. On va retirer le piment pour que le piment va craser. Faire du feu.
So our chicken and sauce is finally done. So we taste it. It tastes good. We're not missing anything. We removed the Scotch bonnet pepper, and we're also going to remove the parsley, and now we're just going to serve it.
Gros assiette pour me vider manger. Je vais manger là. Faut pas mettre persil à sous table. Make sure we tire persil. Les oignons, découper les oignons, ça les oignons, on va mettre dans la sauce, mettre le sur lui.
So, remember in the beginning when she had the onion, the green and red pepper, she just cut it up. She didn't cook with it. She just uses it after to put on the chicken before people start to eat the chicken.
The chicken and sauce là. Okay? Thank you very much. So Kitchen, love you. Thank you. Bisous. À la prochaine. Bye.